Hello everyone, welcome back to my white table. Yep, we are here at my white table and I just received the replacement of my ube yam, whatever. And yes, the seller, the Green Ashes Farm, sent me 3 pounds as a replacement of that ube, the one that I unwrapped, whatever, last week. So it just arrived. I don't know what time it arrived, but right now it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So earlier, my husband checked the mailbox around 4. It's still not there. But my husband a little earlier as well. He went to work, so he checked again and he said we got a boxes delivered. So that's why I went to the mailbox and I found this there as well. I thought I'm not gonna receive this today, but this was shipped last week. So here's the replacement. It says reship. It's 3 pounds. So if you remember last time, I paid that. So because I also sent him a message, like I said, I am going to reach out to the seller, and I would like to thank Hal, however you pronounce your name, I don't know, so I'm just gonna call you Hal because I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyway, I would like to thank you for sending me a replacement for that ube, and I am so happy that you deal with it like a pro, professional. So yes, immediately after I made that video, I messaged the seller, and this is what he sent me. So he also told me that he is not going to send a like this that has wood. So anyway, this is if you can see, I have a little hand but this is bigger than my hand, of course. So it's so beautiful, and because it's just arrived, I am going to just take this off here. So he sent me 4 pieces, and ta-da! I don't know. So I am going to cook this for sure, because the first batch, the original one that he sent me, I don't know if it's he either. So I don't know if it's he or she, but anyway, I'm going to cook this, and I'm going to make a ubi jam. Yup, it's so nice. See? It's a nice one. So if you can see, he really does make a very, very nice packaging of this. He packaged it so well. So that's why even if it was in the mail for a week, it's still nice and good looking. See, you can tell that these are good ones. I hope though. Anyway, we will see later when I mess with this one. So this is where he removed that growth, when it's growing. This is where the vine came from. So so yeah, when he watched the video, the first video, he said that he was it frustrated? I don't remember what's the word he said, but it made him feel unhappy with it. So that's why he immediately sent me a message and told me that he asked me to if how much more I don't know how to say it. How wait well he asked me, I'm just gonna say like this. He asked me to weigh it because he's going to send me the ones that got damaged, the one that are already rotten. So, but my problem was my husband been working nights last week, so he already asleep when I got up and saw his message. So I was it night? I don't remember anymore what time was it. It's just my husband is already asleep, so I don't know how to use the weighing scale he got. He actually uses the those two. We actually got two weighing scale that he uses for weighing gunpowder. Gunpowder. And I don't know how to use it. So I just weigh myself at first. I weigh myself on the weighing scale. And then after that, I took the leftovers ubi yam, and then I weigh myself again. And that's the way I told him that I really wanted to send him a exact amount of weight that is losing, but I can't send it that night because I cannot use the weighing scale. I might make it too much or less. So I just wanted to make sure that we are doing it good in the right amount, so I'm not getting too much and he's not losing too much. So anyway, so when I sent him the weight that I gathered that night, I think it was night, I told him that I would like to give him an exact weight of it, but he said it doesn't have to be exact. He just want a idea how much he's going to send me. So that's why he said that way is alright. So it's actually like 2.8 pounds, but he said he gonna send me 3 pounds anyway. So thank you so much, Hall, for sending me these replacement. I really appreciate your kindness, and I will surely going to purchase more from your store. And yeah, if I see something that I like from your store, I will definitely going to go get it. But right now I'm just gonna make these a food, and we will see. I haven't planted the two bulbs yet, the two little bulbs like this big, like this. Yeah, the two like these, I haven't do anything with it yet. So anyway, I think I am going to, I don't know, maybe I should cook it or what, but I planted already the big one. I cannot show it right now because I am wearing my corded microphone. But on my update, I will surely going to make that video. But I just planted it yesterday because I thought where to plant it. So the one big one that I chopped, that's the one that I planted. So the two ones that are still intact, it's still on my table in the house. I'm still thinking if I am going to plant that as well. But anyway, we got this already. So after making this video, I will just going to make something to eat because I haven't eaten yet for this day. So husband is working nights, and I wake up almost 12 o'clock this morning, so I haven't eaten yet. I just drink coffee, so I think I'm kind of feeling hungry now, so I just going to make something to eat, and then if I don't forget, I am going to jump into Etsy and I will give him a decent review for this, because it's still the Etsy keep sending me message that I have to give a review. So we are going to do that later, a little later. I'm just really actually waiting for this one to arrive before I make a review. But anyway, we got it now, so it's time for me to do the review thing. So anyway, I couldn't believe I used this much time talking. So thank you so much everyone for your support on my channel, and I also would like to thank my Kuya Pudik TV. Thank you so much for the super thanks that you gave me yesterday. I really appreciate it, and yay. Thank you so much, Kuya P. Also would like to shout out my family again, my mother and my father, my brother and my brother's wife and son. Mega love shout out. Also would like to shout out my sister. Thank you so much to y'all. You're always there to support me. Also would like to shout out my husband. Equip yourself, life skills. I love you so much, baby love. And my bag is actually just arrived, so that's his gift for me for today. It's because today is our wedding anniversary, monthsary, whatever. So we are married for 11 years. Was it 11 years? No. 10 years and 3 months. I'm kind of advanced for 1 year, but anyway, it's gonna be 11 anyway this year. So thank you so much, my love, for your support on my Aniks, and thank you for the gifts. And to all my channel subscribers, thank you so much for your support as well. And of course, I would like to say thank y'all to all of my channel members, the ones that's really still there supporting me, my monetary whatever. Why is my brain cell not working? I'm just saying thank you. So anyway, thank you everyone. I would like to thank every one of y'all. If I don't say it all the time, it's because I always forgot. So thank you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.